So we're gonna get her warmed up a little bit before we do any fun shots or engine sounds or anything like that. Gotta always warm up the engine in a flat six, especially by driving. You start it and immediately start driving and keep it under 3,000 RPM or so until the engine oil reaches proper temperature, and then you can go. And later videos we'll probably talk about the IMS bearing challenges, bore scoring and that kind of thing, which everybody seems to be very concerned about, which aren't really big deals if you take proper care and operate it properly. So this is first video right out of the gate. I'm gonna show maybe some action shots or two and kind of talk about the decision to buy this particular car and this car in the lineup of Porsches. So we're up to temperature. We can give it a little, we can mat it a little bit. Mat at me and put the floor to the mat, put the pedal to the mat a little bit. I wonder if you can hear that in the video. It's just, gosh, the sound is so throaty and raw. It's beautiful sound. Lucky to live with so many great roads right around Wish you could drive on both sides of the road.
What's stopping you?
Well, laws and traffic. And Stephanie's is up here. Alright.
So, was this your lifelong dream?
Lifelong dream. From about 15 years old or so. Pictures of Porsches and Ferraris on the wall. That is sweet. 2,000 miles on the car. It's a 2006, so that's pretty low mileage, but not garage queen mileage. It's been driven and had the proper services done. Appears to have been very well cared for, but not babied too much. You want to drive them. That's kind of the key. Talking about my buttons I replaced. So like every Porsche, I might do another video on this, but like every Porsche in this, the 97, 996s, 993s, they all wear off on the fan and temperature buttons, and these get really sticky here. I just bought these on Rentlist for 39 bucks. These were about $33. Replacing this took taking out the control head for the AC, which meant removing most of the console. A little nerve-wracking, but it was about an hour job, and turned out really, really nice. It looks a lot cleaner.
What's stopping you?
Well, laws and traffic. And Stephanie's is up here. Alright. I guess we'll do the loop and then we can do an action shot. Walk around real quick.
Yeah. But that's why we chose it.
It is why we chose it. I used to drive down these roads as a teenager with all my friends.